How to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure to sign in. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right. Scroll down, select groups. Now tap your groups and select the group where you want to post. Once it opens, tap on Write Something bar. In order to start a post, at the top, you will see Post Anonymously. Simply turn on the button and tap on Got It. And here you can easily submit an anonymous post. And then tap on Post at top right corner of your screen. Now your profile will be hidden and your post will be anonymous. And that's it. This is how you can post anonymously on a Facebook group. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.